Thank you, Mr. President. From the outset, I wanted to underline our appreciation to you and to the Bureau members for the steps taken to steer the Council's work in these times of continuing funding cuts and rationalization needs. We should all really move towards a efficiency-minded approach, and from our side, you can count on us to play our part in terms of rationalization, and we call all those to play their part on optimizing the use of the means at the disposal of the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. Now, moving to the upcoming session, the EU will present the following resolutions. Firstly, a resolution to renew the mandate of the Special Rapporteur on Afghanistan. The situation on the ground, especially regarding women and girls, remains abysmal and warrants our continued and full attention. The Council must call for an immediate end to and accountability for all human rights violations and abuses in all violations of IHL. Secondly, we will present a resolution renewing the mandate of the Special Rapporteur on the human rights situation in Burundi. The situation in the country continues to be marked by volatile security context and continued impunity for human rights violations. It's particularly relevant given that we'll have elections in 2027, so it's important to follow the current cycle. Finally, I would like to announce that the EU will present on behalf of all of its member states a resolution under item 4 on the situation of human rights in the Russian Federation, renewing the mandate of the Special Rapporteur. The draft will be based on last year's text from HRC 60 and reflect the latest findings on the continuously deteriorating human rights situation in the country, including in the Special Rapporteur's report that will be presented to this Council on the 21st of September. The EU, as the penholder of this and other resolutions, the HRC 63, is very much looking forward to engaging constructively with all member states and stakeholders. We also look forward to working closely with all delegations on their initiatives, of course. Thank you.